Hi Scholarly friends! On August 31st, 2020, Google announces that you can collaborate with people who are not using a Google account in Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Sites. They provide a good reason why they did this update. They said in their website, GSuite customers often work with partners outside of their company. These external users or visitors don't always have Google accounts, making it more difficult for GSuite and non-Google users to collaborate seamlessly and securely. Once turned on for your organization, users will be able to share to visitors in the same way they share to Google users. People with non-Google accounts will receive an email invitation to collaborate on the shared file or folder. The user has 7 days to verify their identity with a PIN to collaborate on the shared file or folder. If the user needs to collaborate longer than 7 days, they can use the original link from their email to verify their identity again. Once authenticated, visitors can view, comment on, suggest edits to, and directly edit files and folders. If a visitor has edit access, they can reshare the file with another Google user. Visitors cannot create or own files and folders, and visitors can delete their visitor session. Visitor accounts can be seen in the sharing dialog, where you can change or revoke their access just like any other collaborators. This is how it works. Sign in to your Google Admin Console. Go to Apps, GSuite, Drive and Docs, then Sharing Settings. To allow visitor sharing only to trusted domains, add the domains with non-GSuite accounts to your organization's trusted domains list. Then, make sure to select Allow users in your organization to send sharing invitations to people outside your organization who are not using a Google account. To allow visitor sharing to anyone, under Sharing outside of your organization, turn File Sharing on. Select Allow users in your organization to send sharing invitations to people outside your organizations who are not using a Google account. What do you think of this new update? Do you think it will make file sharing easier? Let us know by commenting down below. Hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you will be notified on our next upload.